How to stop Windows from adding keyboard layouts automatically. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your device. Then click on Time and Language in your settings. After you've clicked on Time and Language, it will lead you to this page. On the left side, click on Language, which is the third option. In language, you can simply scroll down and change your display language. Sometimes adding a language may cause that issue as well. Another thing what you can do is click on region on the left side. After you click on region on the left side here, you can change your region or country or region as well. Sometimes different countries have different options, so it may pop up if you're in the recent country. Change it from here. Another thing what you can do is go back to settings and click on devices. After you click on devices in here, you will find this kind of screen pop up. In here on the left side, click on typing and scroll down in typing and click on advanced keyboard settings. After you've clicked on advanced keyboard settings, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Here, you can change your override for default input method as well. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to stop Windows from adding keyboard layouts automatically. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.